What's going on, guys? This Dom back from All About Passive Income. You know we in the building. You know I'm fixing to do a quick update on Arbistar 2.0. If you guys haven't had the chance to check this out, hey, the link gonna be in the description below. And I definitely think you should come over here and give this a look. I'm not your financial advisor. Everybody knows the crypto's a gamble. Just think about it like you're going to play a slot machine. You put your money in. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Those are the chances that you take regardless. But this is all entertainment purposes, and this is what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you exactly my strategy and how I see this thing playing out. But if you need to come check out Arbistar 2.0. I'm not going to pull your leg. I'm not going to force you. But I think you need to come over here and at least give it a look and see what you think about it. Or definitely go on YouTube and type in Arbistar 2.0. There's a lot of videos you can go out and go check this out. I promise you that. You can definitely you get more transparency, and I'm going to give you the best. I'm going to give you the best way I know how to explain this, okay? Now, if you're thinking about getting in this, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. Like I said, we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know how long these platforms are gonna be here. So, being that said, we're gonna dive right in. Now, on this particular platform, how they have these are the ROIs that they're paying out. They're not paying out high ROIs, which that's kind of like I like that a little bit. Okay, I'm not gonna say I'm a big fan, but I like that a little bit because that kind of, I'm not gonna say assures me, but it kind of gives me a little bit more confidence that the ROI is a little bit smaller, so that gives the platform more sustainability. In my opinion, y'all can look at it how you want to, but I'm just saying, in my opinion, that makes it a little bit more sustainable for me. So once I started looking at this platform, I was kind of and then you said, you know what, I just had that gut feeling, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and jump in it. All right, so now this thing is already paid out 0.71% for the week, 3.8 for the month. It's paying out 3.32%. All right, now I just want to give a quick rundown now, if you were to get into this platform today is Thursday, all right? If you were to come in and you would deposit your Bitcoin into this platform, now you won't start seeing your profits until Saturday, okay? Because the cycles start over on Saturday. The way you get paid with this platform is this platform runs for 7 days a week. So you get paid every single day. All right. Now, on Saturdays, that's when the cycle starts over. So if you were getting into the business today or tomorrow, you won't start seeing your profits won't start showing up until that Saturday, of course that Sunday, that next day, okay? And then that's why all of this stuff right here is not showing up in my back office, because I have no data yet, because like I said, I got in on the 16th of June. So that was, I believe, was a Monday or Tuesday or so. So I had to wait until Saturday before my funds hit, and then they started accumulating my BTC, which this week right here we're in right now. So on Saturday I should be seeing all of my stuff last week's and network earnings and things like that. All right, now these are all the profits that they've been paying out, the ROI they've been paying out, so 0.716894, 0.82, 0.65, and then 1.07. That's the highest I've seen it get, and then 0.71. All right, now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you the products real quick, and I'm gonna show you how you can get started. Very easy to do. Now, once you get started with this, it's 100 euros up to 50,000 euros. Okay, so it's about 110, 120 US to get involved with this particular platform. That's the starting package or whatnot, and you can put in whatever you want to. So if you feel comfortable with 150 or 200 or 500 or whatever you feel like putting in, that's what you can put in, and it's Bitcoin only. So all you do is you click here, choose your plan. It's gonna pull up the Arbistar wallet, and then it's gonna let you deposit your funds into the back office, and then of course you gotta wait and do the confirmations, and then it'll show up in your back office, and it'll show your contribution. Okay, now I just want to get something very clear for you. They're going to take a 1% fee. All right, that's on their payment processor, which I mean, who cares? 1%, whoop-de-doo, doesn't bother me. That helps the company get more revenue in to pay us. So if you understand that part of it, so it doesn't bother me about the 1%. All right, going in when you put your money in. All right, now here's one more important thing that you need to know when you get started with this platform. Okay, now do understand that whatever your initial that you put into the platform, your money will be locked up for 60 days. So I want you to understand that first. It will be locked up for 60 days. All right. Anything that you put into the platform will be locked up for 60 days. And I know what you guys are going to say. Well, I don't want my money sitting there for 60 days. That's a long time without me getting paid. And I want to see my money right now. Now, that brings me back to my point. This is something slow and steady that you can play in the background. All right. This is something that you put some money in. Go do other things. Go do other crypto businesses. Go do other things. Put this thing on autopilot and leave it alone. And don't even worry about it. Okay? And build it. That's what I'm doing. And I'm just giving you my foolproof plan. I ain't gonna say foolproof, but my plan that I'm gonna be doing. Okay? Put your money in if that's what you decide to do, and then walk away and let it grow. And then if you wanna, they have a referral link up here. So if you wanna try to refer people and get people into the business, spread this all around the internet. That's all you have to do. Send you some emails out. If you got an email list, send it to your email list. If you're a YouTuber, put it on your YouTube channel. If you have SafeLift or you have if you have different ad services, take your link and spread it all around there, okay? And then get your links out there, okay? Just you can do that in the meantime while this thing is growing. All right, now if you understand the power of compounding, and that's the part that I could not wait to get to. Okay? Now, just look at it like this. If you come in and you say your funds are locked up for 60 days, okay? Your funds is locked up for 60 days. You can't touch them. There ain't nothing else you can do, but you're gaining your profits on a daily basis. Let me go to my finances so I can actually show you guys that it is paying out. They're paying me out on every day. 0.71, 0.6, 0.94, 0.82, 0.65. This is 7 days a week, guys. This ain't no Monday through Friday. This is 7 days a week. All right. Now, so what? Your money will be locked up for 60 days. Now, every Saturday, all the profits that you accumulated during the week on Saturday, if you choose to, you come right here and you come right here and you click on the hover over here, you remember, and it goes to the settings in the back. You have the option to turn on compounding your profits and compounding your commissions if you building a team, or you can turn off the commissions and then just compound your profit that you get from the platform. All right. So now your money's locked up for 60 days, right? So that means you're going to be compounding every single week for 60 days. So I'm gonna see if the light bulb went off for you guys yet. So listen to what I'm saying. You're gonna be compounding your weekly profit for 60 days on whatever the amount you put into the platform. So if you put in $500 and you getting 0.71, 0.68, 0.94, 0.82, 0.65, and you getting that 7 days a week, every Saturday is going to be able to compound. Every Saturday. So you're compounding all of that. So once your 60-day hit, your funds will be released, which means the $500 or the $200 or $300 you put into the platform, you get that money back. Now look what you just created. Now you created an ATM machine. Because for that whole 60 days, you were compounding every single week. So now every week after that, your funds is going to be released on all your profits. And now you just created a snowball effect. Now you're going to get paid every Saturday. And then you can choose if you want to compound One week you want to compound, next week you want to pull out, next week you want to compound, next week you want to pull out. You can do whatever it is that you want to do at that point. And then once you do it that way, then it'll start being set. Okay, so now I'm gonna be withdrawing my funds every 2 weeks, getting a lump sum. I'm gonna be withdrawing my funds every 2 weeks, and now you're getting a cryptocurrency coming in on a residual basis, like clockworks, snowball effect. But I don't know, man. I mean, that right there. Once I seen that, and I grasped that, I said, oh, it's game time. I'm going in, and yes, I'm going to be putting more funds into the platform. Trust that. But it's up to you guys. If you want to get involved with this, man, look. And I know you hear the excitement in my voice. But just think about that snowball effect and that compounding interest that's going to be coming in on a daily basis on the numbers that you're going to be able to get, that you're going to be able to see. I can't promise how much you're going to make. I can't promise you that. But you get where I'm going. So if you can make an extra $300 every 2 weeks, or every extra $600 on passively, that you're not doing any more work, and all you're doing is growing, you're going to grow that number, because of course the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. We all know that. So as the price of Bitcoin is going up, it'll go up and down. Okay, yeah. But as the price of Bitcoin goes up and down, whatever, it's going to eventually go back up. And then when it goes up, you're gonna hit a double whammy with that as well. It's a no-brainer for me. I mean, why not? Because the money that you put in, just say you put in $500 right now, Bitcoin shoots to 15,000. Your $500 you put in there shot up to $700, $800, and that money and you did nothing to get that money. Now you're gonna be getting profits off of that $800 something that you only put in $500. Guys, a no-brainer for me. But like I said, if you're interested in this and you want to check this out, most definitely the link will be below in the description. And I have all the other businesses that I'm in down there, if y'all guys want to check that out as well. But yeah, man, I'd highly recommend that you guys go take a look at this. And then if not, then hey, go to YouTube and go look. Go put in Arbistar 2.1 or 2.0, excuse me, and see all the people that's talking about it. Don't take my word for it. Just go see. You have access to the internet. You're able to get information in a matter of seconds. So if you don't believe me, go look for yourself. But all right, guys. Once again, this is Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll see you guys in the next video.